Guys, today I want to show you how to repurpose your gift bags that are, let's say they're a little bit ripped on the side or you don't need them. You can use it for your arts and crafts projects. You can use it for decorating different things with papers and the gift box. So I do this sometimes if I'm looking for some different types of designs, because you can't always get this good paper for your designs. So I use these kind of pinchers here, different ones, and I punch out whatever I need, depends on the design and what I'm looking for. So I have a lot of these different types. I'm going to show you the ones with a couple of these here, what I do. So if, let's say, I need something different than usual and I don't have a special paper for decoration, I go ahead and I take one of the bags. You can see it's kind of ripped and I can't really use it as a gift bag. So I'm going to take one of this here, one of my punchers, and I'm going to punch out beautiful. And now I can go ahead and put that on my arts and crafts and my designs, whatever I'm doing for the day. So that's for one of this here. This is going to be garbage, we don't need that. Or you can do, let's say I have this bag here and I need something like this. I'll go ahead and show you with this here. So I would choose whichever I need. Let's say, look at that, nice, interesting type of for decorating. What else? Let's try like a square and a circle. Let's try have like a teddy bear head, which we can use like one of these bags. You can see I already use this for one of my decorations for a gift box. Let's see, you can do like this. So you can use this side or this side. It's a great thing for kids, they love this. My daughter loves doing this. You punch out whatever you need. So I have show you with this one here what I have. Let's use this one. So for example, we're going to look at this one here. So I have this cute little cutout with ruffles and looks like a flower. We can use any side we like, but I want this side, so here it goes. And then these come in different sizes. Let's say this is 1 inch here. There's some of them come like ½ inch. I have different sizes in this, and then you can go ahead and decorate the way you would like it. So I hope you enjoyed this videos, and now finally there's a way to repurpose your old bags and go in green. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you.